In the case of Trump versus Manhattan District Attorney Cy Vance, the court ruled 7-2 that Vance may obtain President Trump's tax returns, but that the president will be allowed to make arguments to block him, as a normal citizen would in lower court. That may give Trump's attorneys enough wiggle room to keep his taxes out of the public eye until after November. Constitutional lawyer Joshua Matz.
Ultimately, it seems clear at least some of the subpoena will be enforced, and the president will have to turn over some of his documents. It's just unclear how long that will take.
Moreover, we don't know exactly what Vance is investigating. It may be the hush money payments to Stormy Daniels prior to the 2016 election, or it may be the allegations that the president's business empire has avoided paying millions in taxes over the years. We won't find out until after Vance makes his case with the grand jury and finally gets the returns.
It seems safe to assume that he'll do everything in his power to prevent these records from being turned over to the district attorney.
The other case involving President Trump's taxes was Trump v. Mazars, a large tax prep firm that was subpoenaed by congressional Democrats looking to get the president's records as part of a number of financial and security investigations. The same court majority ruled that the House may not obtain the returns for now. The justices argue that lower courts need to decide separation of power issues between Congress and the president first.
The path that the Supreme Court has laid out is one that is clearly achievable by us in the lower court.
Despite the seemingly mixed results from the court, some, like Movella, an analyst specializing in business transparency, says an important underlying message was sent by the justices.
And not even the President of the United States is immune from the law.
The president's attorneys had argued in court for blanket immunity while he was in office. And today, Trump raged on Twitter following the ruling, writing, "This is all a political prosecution. Courts in the past have given broad deference, but not to me, and political witch hunt."
Vance only released a brief statement today saying he would move forward after a year delay. But again, there could be lower court challenges from the president, and we're expecting that. One other footnote from all of this, the two Supreme Court justices that the president has gotten confirmed, that would be Neil Gorsuch and Brett Kavanaugh. They ruled against him in the big ruling involving the Vance case. Live in Lower Manhattan, Henry Rossoff, Pix 11 News.